You've made it through the PBL Simplified series. I am honored that you've made it this far and that you are looking at project-based learning in a super serious way. And maybe you still have some questions. That's fine. Questions are really, really good for educators and for learners. We're excited that you've made it this far in PBL Simplified, and we want to continue to help you on your journey. So let's see what kind of resources we have. My name is Ryan Stoyer, Executive Director of Magnify Learning, and this is PBL Simplified for Teachers, where we address your PBL need-to-knows to simplify the PBL process for your classroom. The question of the day is, which of the PBL Simplified videos was your favorite? Which one really kind of got you? We try to put a story into each one. Is there a story that you related to as a learner? Or maybe you've got a learner in class? I've got a good friend that says you should find a kid early on in your year and bet on that kid. And make it a long shot. And then invest in them because they come in. He's got a student that he bet on as an assistant principal and worked with her. And now she's a PBL facilitator. And she's fantastic. She does facilitation for Magnify Learning. She's in the classroom, inspired and inspiring others. Her blogs are fantastic. But those stories don't happen unless we take those chances. And project-based learning, yep, core academic work is happening. Does it move standardized test scores? Yes. Does it help learners read, do math, understand science, understand current events? Yes. It gives them those core academic content that they need, but it also goes beyond that. We create real-world situations, authentic situations where they're using employability skills like presenting and problem solving and critical thinking, and these ambiguous situations where they're asking for help. And we're building relationship. We're helping them. We're investing in and inspiring. And that's why we got into teaching. That's how we end up living our why, is through project-based learning. We see it again and again. So I want to encourage you that even if you're a lone wolf, even if you're at the beginning of your journey, or maybe you're a veteran, keep moving. It's worth it. It's working and it's spreading. We have a ton of resources to support you. We want to have blogs to support you. We've got podcasts. We've got these videos that you can watch and share. We've got books. We've got, anything, we'll create it, right? We've got all these resources, a lot of them free on the website, so you can share them with the person next door. Start to share these resources. Go to an open workshop. Bring us to your school. Just celebrate the work, right? Reach out to me and be happy to start investing in the work you're doing. I got this really great email today, actually, from Kevin. And Kevin said in his email, "Hey, Ryan, I read your book, and I've got a PD coming up around PBL for my school. Would you help me out?" Absolutely. Honored that you read my book, Kevin. If you've been through this PBL Simplified series, you've shown that you're investing in your learning. And gosh, we just want to help you. So just reach out via Twitter, Facebook, email. My number's out there somewhere, right? So just grab any one of those resources. We want to come alongside you in your PBL journey, because we know that if we can help you live your why, it helps us live our why. You see, at Magnify Learning, we believe that every child deserves to be a part of an inspiring story. And that's our charge. That's our why. That's why we do the work. That's why we expand and spread the idea of project-based learning, because every child deserves to be a part of an inspiring story. I hope this series has helped you engage your learners so you can tackle boredom and that you've transformed your classroom.